Making world-class parts and prototypes requires more than just attention to detail during manufacturing and inspection. Achieving your total satisfaction means that we've implemented quality control procedures at every processing step to control and prevent defects. For example, our technicians and engineers always hold your parts with both hands, using one hand underneath to prevent accidental drops. For materials that are prone to oxidation, such as magnesium alloys, we use sealed bags with desiccants and oxygen absorbers. We also vacuum seal red copper and other brasses to avoid oxidation. For materials that rust easily, such as carbon steel, we spray rustproofing oil on all semi-finished products. The trays that hold the parts are lined with absorbent cloth paper, and we use dividers to separate the parts when necessary. We always place large parts on shelves covered with foam to avoid direct contact between the part and the shelf, and also maintain a distance of at least 20 millimeters between parts to avoid bumps. We clean the inspection table first, before arranging the parts for measurement. We lift and move large pieces only by the edge in order to avoid rubbing the surface on the table, which might cause scratches. Our technicians handle your parts with gloves on. We employ custom packaging and protective measures based on the appearance and the functional requirements of your parts. We use foam, paper, blister bags, and cardboard to protect fragile features. From machining to delivery, the protection of a product's appearance at every step is an integral part of our manufacturing process and is essential to achieving customer delight.